In this video I will show you how to modern graphic design ideas in Photoshop. Go to File and choose Place Embedded. Select the image. Click on Place. Go to Type tool. Choose this font. Type your text. Adjust the text. Go to Rectangular tool. Draw the shape. Now we will change the fill and stroke color to white. Now we will change the stroke size to 6. Go to Add a layer style and choose Blending option. Fill opacity 0. Knockout shallow. Now click on Stroke and change the stroke size to 12. Press OK. Now we will select the 2 layers above and group them. Go to Rectangular tool. Fill color none. Stroke color white. Draw the shape. Go to Rectangular Marquee tool. Select this area. Add a clipping mask. Press Ctrl-I invert. Go to Type tool. Choose this font. Type your text. Go to Type tool. Choose this font. Type your text. Adjust the text. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe my YouTube channel for more tutorials.